what's up? Today I'm gonna install the bearings lowering kit for the VN900. Plan on lowering it like 2 inches, at least that's what it says it'll do. Here's my process of lowering my Vulcan. Alright, so here's everything is included in the instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. A little diagram. Seems pretty legit. Solid. So the tools required: 3, 4, and 5 millimeter Allen wrenches, 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter open wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdriver. I also picked up some grease, headlock, cheap torque wrench. Alright, so we're going to start by removing the side covers first. On both sides, we'll remove the exhaust, and then we'll have to remove the coolant reservoir once we get the covers and all of that off. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to remove the seat. Pop that. We'll take the seat off. To remove the covers, there's a Phillips head screwdriver right in there. Gotta remove that one. It should only be one holding it, and then this cover should pop right off. Alright, once that screw is removed, pull it out. It'll come right out. All you do is pull. It's just one screw. Screws right here. And then yeah, it just pulls right off. Alright, now the left side of the bike, it's got one screw as well. And it is actually located right in there. You just gotta unscrew this one right here. And then the left side should pop right off. Okay, so once you remove that screw, then it just has the 3 points again. Just pull it off. And right here is the 3 points that it pulls out of. Alright, the next move is to remove the lower piece that protects the coolant reservoir. Just take that out. This deal pops right off as well. We're gonna undo this one and that one, and we'll pull this out and we'll just tie it off to the side. There's no need to actually unplug it. You just take the coolant reservoir out of the way. These 2 bolts are the 5 millimeter Allen. For this, I'm just gonna set it up out of the way. Alright, next should be the heat shield. We'll take the heat shields off and then we'll remove the pipe from it. Should have, man, mine are a little rusty, but flathead. You would normally have 2 bolts here, but I actually lost these 2 doing my 1K this last year. So normally, if you have all your parts. Alright, next we're gonna remove the exhaust. This one shouldn't be in the way. And that's mine are the 12 millimeter socket. Alright, then should come right off. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna jack it up. Get this wheel off of swing arm. Alright, so we'll remove that back. Remove that piece. Next, we're gonna remove that bolt. We're gonna remove that one underneath right there. All right, now that bolt is a 17 millimeter. All right, so to get it out, it was up here like that, and it just drops there. Pull it out. Just drops there and pull it out from there. Now we'll go ahead and take that out, and we'll put it in the new one. All right, now we're gonna grease the bearings. Do the other side. All right. So we got that bolt put on now. I put it in the bottom one. I believe the deal said the top one was 2 inches. This one was 1 inch, unless I was reading it backwards, but this seemed to lower it more, so I got it set to 2 inches lowered. Got both of the nuts put back in. Now time to assemble the rest of it back together. Everything back on, everything's secured, and yeah, it's sure enough, it lowered it about 2 inches. Now it really wasn't too bad. It took about, maybe like 2 hours by myself. Had a couple hiccups, but no, it turned out pretty good.